Hey, busy bees! Tonight, we're talking about cozy dinners that are quick to make but big on comfort. From creamy mac and cheese to hearty baked potato soup, these meals are perfect for when you need something warm and satisfying but don't have all night to cook. Best part? You can whip them up in just 30 minutes. Let's get cooking. Comfort food has been around forever, right? People have always turned to warm, hearty meals to lift their spirits and fill their bellies. Dishes like mac and cheese and baked potato soup have stood the test of time because they're easy to make, delicious, and full of nostalgia. And now, with today's busy schedules, we're all about finding ways to make these classic comfort foods faster without sacrificing flavor. Let's break down the basics. For a quick mac and cheese, you'll need pasta, cheddar cheese, a little milk, and butter. If you want to add some veggies or bacon bits, go for it. For the baked potato soup, we're talking potatoes, of course, some veggie or chicken broth, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Top it with green onions or even bacon crumbles if you're feeling fancy. These simple ingredients come together fast and taste amazing. Now, here's where you can get creative. For mac and cheese, switch things up by adding garlic, or swap the cheddar for pepper jack if you want a little kick. You could even toss in some steamed broccoli or diced tomatoes. For the baked potato soup, add some smoked paprika or chives for extra flavor. Or make it a little healthier by blending in some cauliflower with the potatoes. There's no wrong way to do it. Just customize to fit your taste and what you've got in the fridge. Want to try some of these cozy dishes without cooking? You're in luck. In Chicago, 11 City Diner serves up a mac and cheese that's gooey and cheesy with a little crunch on top. And if you're ever in Seattle, Portage Bay Cafe is known for their incredible potato soup that'll warm you right up. These spots prove that comfort food doesn't have to be complicated to be amazing. So, the next time you're craving something cozy but you're short on time, remember these 30-minute wonders. From mac and cheese to baked potato soup, you can enjoy all the warmth and flavor of your favorite comfort foods without spending hours in the kitchen. Cozy dinners, quick and easy, perfect for those hectic weeknights. But before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button.